Hi everyone, welcome back to Mobility and Mindfulness. For today, we are going to focus on the thoracic spine. That is your mid-back. You don't need any equipment, just a rolled up towel. Let's do it. Okay everyone, we're going to start with cat-cow. So you are on hands and knees. You're pulling that belly button up towards the ceiling and breathing out. Exhale here. And then release, tailbone sticks out, head goes up, inhale here. And reverse, exhale, pull the belly button up to the ceiling, round out your back, and release, tailbone out, head up, inhale. And exhale, tuck that tailbone underneath, pull the belly button up to your spine, and exhale. Release, tailbone out, head up, inhale. And reverse. Keep going, everyone. Exhale. And inhale. Good job. Keep it up. Exhale. Halfway. And inhale. And again, tuck that tailbone underneath. Pull the belly button up to the sky. And exhale. Inhale here, head up, tailbone out, back sags, and reverse. Exhale. Keep going. Inhale. And exhale. Good job, everyone. Keep it up. Inhale. And exhale. Pull that belly button. Use those abdominal muscles.
5 seconds.
And reverse. Inhale. Moving on to the next one, we're going to take a seat, and this one I'm going to do a seated twist. So place one foot across the other knee, take one arm, and I want you to just rotate your body and look behind you. Seated twist, and release, and look and rotate. Open up the shoulders, look behind you, and back to neutral. And turn and look. And back to neutral. Rotate. Seated twist. And back to neutral. And again. And back. Good job, everybody. Keep it up. Rotate. Okay, switch. Left foot over right knee. Rotate. Right hand is on my left knee. Look behind left. And neutral. And left. And back to neutral. Left, rotate, hold a little bit. Remember, as you do these, if you feel like you need to stay for a little longer in any of these poses, you go right ahead and do that. These mobility sessions are about listening to your body and doing what it needs for movement. We're trying to move through the poses, through that semi-hurts so good kind of position, but it still should feel good. Moving into upward dog. I'm going to move my towel over. So you are on your stomach, and for upward dog, we are going to push those hands into the floor, lift your chest off the ground, and then come down. And again, lift your chest up, let your hips sag into the ground. Notice I'm pretty tight in my back. This motion does, of course, get your low back as well. So you're getting a combination of extension through your thoracic and your lumbar spine. And I even feel a stretch in my abdominal region. And remember that my left elbow doesn't straighten. So if you are just watching and you see that my arms aren't straight, it should be. I wish it did. And lift, chest. Let those hips again sag. Feel a good stretch into that mid-back, low back. And repeat, lift, breathe, stretch, and lower. Now we can modify. You could just go up to your elbows and just do an elbow extension, which is fine. And I will do this sometimes for my patients that don't tolerate that full cobra position. And down and up. Even this is moving our mid-back, getting that thoracic spine to extend. And everybody, good job. Let's move into, we're going to do our side lying open book. So arms out in front of us, knees are stacked and are up in front, about 90 degrees in your hips. Rotate and look behind. And then bring it back to neutral. Rotate, lift that hand, look behind. And then back to neutral. Keep going, rotate. And return. Great mobility. All planes of motion for the thoracic spine. Of course, we can move in flexion extension, and we move in rotation. So that is the point. It's doing all these different directions. Okay, everybody, let's move to the other side. Now, left side, knees up again, arms in front, right hand reach, and return. Right hand behind, and back. Return. Feels good. Feel that opening in your mid-back. It's a nice, good opening. Release, hold again if you need to hold. And release. Rotate. And release. And rotate.
5 seconds.
Good job. Okay, everybody, last exercise. Oops, did I lose my microphone? Let's not do that. Okay, we're going to take our towel roll. You are making it into a nice kind of thick roll like that. We are going to place that at the mid-back, perpendicular to your spine. So, lying on my towel, I'm going to place my arms in a reverse T. So kind of a goalpost position as I lie here. Goalpost position, the towel is giving my thoracic spine a nice push forward. Feels like a nice opening. Get a gentle stretch into my shoulders. Depending on how tight you are, you could feel a bigger stretch as you do this. Now, if we wanted to add that mobility movement, we could do a mini crunch to lift our shoulders and then release it down. So let's do it again. Rotate, crunch, release down. And again, crunch and over that towel. It's just enough to give me a nice little push forward on my mid-back. For the ladies out there, that towel is about at your bra line. Kind of find that chest level. That's where we're looking. Crunch and release. Crunch, release. I needed this. Had a good strength workout yesterday, and my back was feeling a little bit tight. So I was like, let's do some
5
thoracic
seconds.
mobility today. All right. Excellent job, everyone. Okay, let's move on to mindfulness.
Today we'll be working with gratitude. Start by taking a position that's comfortable. Close your eyes and hold your back tall. Feel the gentle pull of gravity, how your body is pulled towards the ground. And just take a moment to scan your body, just seeing if anything wants to relax or let go. And now settle into whatever's here with openness and attentiveness. And as we often do, take a few long, deep breaths. With each breath in, let your abdomen gently expand. And then release the air fully, enjoying each full breath. And then relax the breath so it feels natural. And begin to follow it with a sense of curiosity, observing how it feels as it enters your body and releases. And for today, as an experiment, if it's comfortable, place one of your hands on your chest, resting your hand on the area where the lungs and heart reside. Breathe in and out, feeling the rise and fall of the breath in the area of the chest. And if your hand is resting on your heart, feel how as it rests there, it too rises and falls. And if your hand tires, feel free to rest it at any time. But if it helps you maintain concentration, continue to rest it on your chest, feeling the rise and fall of each breath. And now, gently relax your attention. Today we'll be opening up to gratitude. Specifically, gratitude for those who have supported us through difficult times. We can all remember a time when life fell to a low point. Perhaps it was a loss, a failure, or a combination of hardships unfolding all at once. During our darkest moments, if we're fortunate, someone will arrive by our side. When we're most in need, that someone will believe in us, aid us, and shine a light on the path forward. So it's healthy to reflect on those people and the support they offered to help develop our gratitude muscle and train ourselves to notice the positive. And we can start with our family. So take a moment to think back to the guardians, siblings, parents, children, and partners who took care of us and loved us through our hardships. Reflect on those who supported you with their encouragement and advice, or with their sheer presence. Honor the contribution they made to your life and allow that memory to fill you with gratitude. With your whole body, breathe in, feeling open, warm feelings of gratitude. And on the out breath, feel into gratitude for those who stood by you. And sometimes our lifelines don't come from traditional family. Perhaps they're found in our friends, the trusted souls who have come into our life and in times of challenge bring light to the darkness. Perhaps they sat with us, cried with us, or just listened. And now tune into gratitude for anyone else who supported you in your life, past or present. Colleagues, employers, mentors, or even pets who have been there by your side. Now relax your attention and notice how it feels to tap into gratitude. As Albert Schweitzer said, at times our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark of another person. Each of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Now come back to your body. Feel its weight on your cushion or chair. Return to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's daily calm. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
It's so important to be grateful, which reminds me, I have made a gratitude journal and a little bit of an exercise daily journal, actually, that will be available soon on Amazon. So I will let you know when that is out there. For tonight, I am thankful for my family. Appreciate all of you.